I wonder if he does it to the other side.
Give us high five. Tell them to give you a high five. Kayla, you gotta give him $1.